Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey guys. This one will be the generation 2009-2019, and we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to remove the hatch door trunk release lock. This is the latch, also known as hatch door latch. So if your trunk doesn't open or doesn't close for some reason guys, it could be the latch, and we're going to show you how to remove and replace it. We're talking about this latch right here. Stay with us. We'll have to do a little bit of disassembly to get to it, and in the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on the Dodge Journey. More than 200 videos, so please guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we need to do first, we need to go ahead and open the trunk. So we need to go ahead and remove that panel now, the hatch door panel. That will be the first step that we need to do. So we need to use a Torx tool here. Let's see exactly which one it is. Torx 30. Torx 30. Start looking a bit like this one here, you can see. So we need to remove this screw there. After that guys, we need to remove one more on this side. All the tools and parts that we use again will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. This one is ready now. We need a prying removal tool, and there are a few clips holding. So looks like there is one right here in the middle, right under the trunk lock as well. So from what we can see, there is a cap there. Check it out. This cap will need to be removed now. Perfect. And so actually it's not under the cap, there is two more clips holding. One is here, one is over there. If I go in an angle, check this thing out. So we need to remove those now. You can see two clips that we needed to remove right here. One over there, one in the corner. So now we're doing some progress. So here on the side you're going to have two more clips. You can see one here, one there. So that's what we'll be doing now. Then we need to go to the other side. Hold the panel really good, and we need to remove it on this side as well. On top you have three more clips, and we can pull the wire out. Press in and pull out. So check out where all the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. Then we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we have on top, that's towards the rear window, 1, 2, 3. You can see just like that. So we need to open now the trunk again. And you can see this is the lock right here. This is the hatch lock latch. Torx 30 socket again, and we're going to go ahead and remove three bolts that we have here. We have so many videos guys. Our mission here is to save you as much money as we can. And what I notice now on the bolts, you'll notice that they have thread lockers. So we need to install some thread locker when we put it together. That blue thing, that's thread locker. Okay, this is the third one. Now we'll come from the back side here, pull it out. We'll need to disconnect the wire and the cable now. Okay, now you can see you just pull. Okay, you need to, I believe, turn this thing and pull it out. So if you get the pliers, you can actually help it a little bit. Okay, perfect, because it will be stuck in there. Pull it to the side. Okay, and now you can see right here you need to come more on the side to come out of the clip. Okay, and we disconnected that cable. Now 2 wires that we need to disconnect. Press in there. Okay, you might need to use the small screwdriver. Okay, and pry it out. Now this one here. And this is your door lock, hatch door lock. You can see latch out of the way now. So we're installing that thing, guys. Everything else is in reverse order. We took it apart. If your actuator does not work, okay, we'll have the video how to replace it, because you don't need to replace the whole lock. So hopefully the video will be helpful to you guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, hit that like button, and see you guys next time.